Before you watch the video, pause here, go watch my lock styling technique tutorial, how to do a flip fishtail plait. I'll leave the video link here at the top right of the screen. I'll also put it in the description box. What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of greatness. So go follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. Now that you've watched my lock styling technique tutorial, how to do a flip fishtail plait, we're going to move on to the next step. Before we flip our fishtail plait back, we're going to go ahead and make a part right down the middle of the back of the head, okay? So we're going to separate the hair straight down the middle of the back of the head. Once you make your part down the middle and you create your two sections, okay, we're going to go ahead and get these up into a ponytail. So now that both of our sections are in two ponytails, we can go ahead and flip this fishtail plait. Just like so, kind of letting it fall right in the middle of those two. Once you flip the fishtail plait back, as you can see, there are two ends here on the fishtail plait, and if you watch the lock styling technique tutorial, you will know that, okay? So what we're gonna do now is literally sit this right in between these two ponytails, just like so, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and secure these with a clear elastic or rubber band. I have my clear elastic here. I'm gonna go ahead and secure that. Rubber band here. We're going to go ahead. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and work on our two buns. We're creating two buns, all right? And the lock styling technique that we're going to use to create these buns, I've decided that I'm going to do a chunky twist bun, okay? A chunky twist bun. I'm going to take some locks, all right? Doesn't matter how many. And we're simply going to start doing a twist, chunky twist. Chunky twist, you just go ahead and put a rubber band at the end. I'm done with all of my chunky twists, okay? I simply put chunky twists in both ponytails. I have about 4 chunky twists on this side, and it looks like 5 on this side. It really doesn't matter. Just do chunky twists, okay? And we're going to go ahead and get into this bun. I'm basically going to take the shortest chunky twist, and I'm going to start my bun. So I'm going to take this shortest one kind of in the back here, as you can see in the ponytail, and I'm going to bring it under, okay, around like so. And I'm going to be doing the tuck method. I just changed the angle for you guys. I basically brought that shortest one, I brought it around under the ponytail and bring it around just like so. And I'm going to be doing the tuck method. So what that means is I'm going to take the end and kind of like just tuck it under the twist. Okay. So working with the shortest chunky twist to the longest, I'm going to go ahead and take the next shortest chunky twist. And notice I came around and under with that chunky twist. So for this one, we're going to go the opposite direction. I'm going to go around this way. So I'm going to come around this way. Just like so. And I'm going to kind of go under that one, like so. See the little clear rubber band and a little end there. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it under. Make sure I overlap that. See the little straggler, just tuck it in. overlap that one I just did. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just like so. And again, the ends, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it under. And I am doing the tuck method of doing this bun. Okay. Alright, so working with the next shortest chunky twist, as you know, the first one came around under, the second one came this way and over, so you got it, we're going around again. Just basically alternating. So you can see I have a rubber band showing here. I'm going to kind of like, because we're going this way, so we're going to overlap. Make sure that coming under, so we're just going to come around, under, and we're definitely going to bring it under that chunky twist like so. I'm just going to turn this a little. See that edge? That edge, I'm just going to turn it so that can be on the inside, under, and coming around, bringing that down. And I'm just going to tuck that in just there, just tucking it. And the reason that I'm using the tuck method is because I want to avoid using a lot of pins, maybe 1 or 2 pins in the buns, if any pins at all. So the next one, as you guys know, it went around here and tucked. I'm going to go in the opposite direction, okay? Don't worry about the little short ends. We're definitely going to tuck them. Going in the opposite direction, I'm going to go under, just like so. And I'm going to tuck that under, just there, just like so. So far, I haven't used any pins. Okay, so you can see there's a little straggler here, and then there's like an opening here. So it looks like it's destined for the last one to snug right where it belongs, here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take that last one. You guys can see the little opening here. We're going to take that last one. We're going to overlap, just like so, covering that clear rubber band, and we're going to go around, under, just like so. Okay, water it around for you guys, and we're bringing it up, and we're going to tuck that right under. Okay, just like so. We're going to tuck that just like so. Okay, and guys, there we have it. We have a cute chunky twist bun. Okay, you can add a pin if you like. I think I'm going to add like 1 pin just to secure it, maybe 2. So I'm going to take that 1 pin where I tucked the last one, and I'm going to go ahead and stick a pin right there. With the flip fishtail plait. And there's one more thing that I must do before the style is complete. So I'm going to turn her to the side. I'm going to take 2 pins. Okay? I'm going to take 1 pin and just secure this right here. We're going to go around to the other side pin and do the same thing. We're just going to secure that. So now that I have secured my flipped fishtail plait right there on the side, so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.